In this video, I'll show you how to update drivers on your Lenovo laptop. First, click on the Start menu and type Settings and open it. From the left side, select Windows Update. Now, scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Next, select Optional Updates. If any driver updates are available, check the box next to the updates you want to install and then click Download and Install. That's the first method. Now, let me show you another way to update Lenovo drivers. Open the Lenovo Vantage app on your laptop. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Once Lenovo Vantage is open, click on System Update. Make sure the drivers and software option is enabled. Then click Check for Updates. The app will scan your laptop and show any available driver updates. Simply select the updates and click Install. You can also view your driver update history inside Lenovo Vantage. That's it! This is how you can easily update drivers on a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.